Hi, I'm Graham Porter, and I'm here to tell you about the Virtual Robotics Training Academy. One of the big challenges facing us right now is that students who want high-tech jobs are not sure about which skills they're going to need in order to get them. And in the high-tech workforce, employers are often concerned that students are not coming out of school with the skills that they need to go right onto the job. The VRTA sits in the middle of these two groups, leaning on industry to help us create challenges that are then delivered to students, who in turn show industry that they have practical capabilities to solve the problems in their business. The three main areas that VRTA focuses on are robotics and automation, programming, and cybersecurity. These tools form the foundation of most high-tech jobs in the modern economy. The VRTA is an online platform that allows students of all ages to learn practical STEM skills through the use of simulators. These could simulate anything from a 3-axis robotic arm on an assembly line, to an autonomous vehicle navigating a maze, to an aerial or aquatic drone, to a local area network that needs to be hardened for cybersecurity. Any of these practical STEM-related exercises that are applicable in the real world can be simulated on the VRTA platform in a way that allows students of all ages to learn these important real-world skills. While students are fully capable of learning these skills on their own, the VRTA is also compatible with a school environment so that teachers can see real-time reports on student activities, inspect the current state of their simulations, and provide marks and other useful feedback.
Teachers and students can log into the VRTA with a personalized account that keeps track of their permissions and progress. Once logged in, our recommendation algorithm will suggest challenges you may be interested in, or you can search our library of challenges. Once you've found a challenge you're interested in, you can add it to your personal list of challenges. Over in My Challenges, we can see the challenges I'm working on. Let's start with Basics in Python. A challenge is a short course focused on developing a specific skill or solving a real-world problem. In this case, the goal of the challenge is to help a user write working code for the first time in the Python programming language. The challenge contains all the resources necessary for the student to get started, including text instructions, video lessons, and links to relevant resources on the web. Our programming simulator is a flexible tool that allows us to teach programming skills in interpreted languages like Python, Java, and R. Each page presents a specific programming problem, instructions for the solution, and the expected output. On the top right, students attempt to complete the task. When the code is written, they hit Run, which causes the code to be interpreted, and for the results to be presented in the output window at the bottom. Behind the scenes, a Piston server is actually crunching through the code. This is real Python code providing real output. If the answer is right, the student receives a success message. If it is wrong because they have provided invalid code, they get a Python error message, just as they would in any other Python programming environment. If the code is valid but provides the wrong answer for the challenge, the student receives a failure message. If a student is completely stuck, they can see an example of the correct code by opening the solution box. The power of our programming simulator is that students can work at their own pace and do not require immediate access to a teacher who's fluent in the language in order to provide feedback. The simulator marks their work automatically, and students can see which concepts they've mastered and which ones they need help on. Now let's look at a robotics simulator. A robotics simulator is a 3D representation of a robot and its environment that a student controls by writing code. In this case, they are asked to complete a pick-and-place challenge using a 3-axis arm, the sort of thing they'd be asked to do in a warehouse or automotive assembly plant in the real world. In the challenge, the students are shown text and video instructions that prepare them to tackle the challenge. In the simulator, they attempt to write a program that will solve the real-world problem. Just like in the real world, this task is a lot of trial and error. Students write code, run the code, watch the robot fail, and then make improvements for the next test. The students are writing Python, using a Jupyter notebook, and visualizing the robot using Gazebo. These are all industry standard tools they will continue to use in their future careers. Just like in the real world, they are working in a simulator first. The real 3-axis robot could cost $50,000 to $100,000. Employers want to see successful simulations of your solution before they'll even let you in the same building as the robot. Finally, let's look at the integration of third-party simulators. VRTA can take any simulator that runs on a desktop and make it available in the cloud for any device with a browser and internet connection. In this case, we'll look at Cisco's Packet Tracer, which is the backbone of their Net Academy certification courses in IoT, networking, and cybersecurity. Packet Tracer allows students to build virtual networks that meet real-world needs and harden them against cyber intrusions. Cisco has spent decades on the hardware and software. What the VRTA provides is a platform to access these exercises and tools from anywhere in the world on nearly any device. Students on the VRTA can engage in self-directed learning by finding challenges that interest them. They can also be assigned challenges by their teachers, which are automatically added to their My Challenges page. Teachers can easily find challenges and assign them to their students. They can also pull up real-time reports on student progress. These reports show which students have completed which activities, allow the teacher to assign marks, and most importantly, give the teacher the ability to see the student's simulator environment directly. Teachers can open the student's version of the simulator, run their code, and provide marks and other feedback. Later this year, we will be releasing the Living Resume. As students complete challenges, their work is stored in our database, forming the basis for the Living Resume. Students will be able to send an email to prospective employers with links to the challenges they have completed that are most relevant to that employer. The employer will be able to click the links, load up a simulator running the student's code, and see firsthand how the student has solved problems relevant to their business. The Living Resume closes the loop between students, educators, and industry, and positions the VRTA to be the common access point for schools, industry, and students. The future of the VRTA is more. We are constantly adding more challenges using more simulators. We are working with schools to identify weak points in curriculum delivery and with industry partners to design simulations of the challenges they face in their business. Thanks for your time. For more information or to contact us, visit vrtaonline.com.